Well, now my truck's got 10 quarts of oil in it. And it's still showing I need to add more. I don't know. It's like right there. If I get my finger on it. Right there. Operating range is right there, and this ends right there. So I don't know. I know it's got an oil cooler on an oil filter assembly. That's my oil cooler lines right there. I put the antifreeze in, and the plug down there don't appear to be leaking, so that's good. So I'm gonna find out if I need to add 3 more damn quarts to this. That's a whole lot of damn oil. Radiator's not leaking. Oil pan is not leaking. Well, drain plug, I mean. See down in there, down to the ground. Nothing down there. I'm getting to wonder if maybe this dipstick's maybe not calibrated right for this engine. Because, I mean, there is 2 dipsticks there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the first 5-quart bottle. I put the used oil in it, and it's full. And I still got more oil in the drain pan, so I'm going to use the other bottle I just put in here of the new oil and put so the extra 5 quarts that I just barely put in just now, that bottle is empty. I'm going to use that bottle to put the rest of the old oil in the drain pan in and see where to go from there, because I think the last time I did oil change on here only took 7 quarts. So I know it's got a big size oil pan on it. I mean, I don't want to sound like an idiot, but I'm getting to wonder if that's, and not to market a bigger oil pan for extra capacity. I mean, damn thing looks stock, but I mean, I do know that I got a quart of oil in the filter, so I'm thinking, let's see, so, and then there's oil in the coolant line still, I would think, because nothing drained out of the block after I removed the filter. And so there's oil in the radiator for sure on that left side. So I'm kind of in the mind of maybe starting it up with that being at the add mark, and see if it goes all the way up after it's ran. You know, run it and then turn it off and check the level again and see if it's gone up. I don't know. But I'll try to figure that out and see what needs to be done. I'm going to close up my truck because it's about to rain out here. that because I don't trust my neighbors. And then take these in. That's back door's now not locked. I'm gonna lock that up. Come back out and figure out those. I used oil and everything. I'll be right back. So we took that gallon. Well, what was that in there? Like maybe 3 quarts. I think put that in there. That's emptied. That's in there. And my truck still says add. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles to take to O'Reilly. If they still take used oil. And the filter.